Hell yeah. Say what?
Yeah, but if you don't get, you don't get.
About what? Oh,
I'll see your address, but I said if you don't get.
yeah, I ain't scared of the boogeyman. Hello, peoples. I know, it's Christmas Eve. And, I ordered a butter knife.
A butter
A
knife?
butter knife, yeah.
That's what that is?
Yeah, she told me no more guns and knives and such. And I said, okay, but she didn't say nothing about ordering, cutlery. And look at this. Another big box. All right. So, this comes from some favorite people of mine, Cold Steel. And, there it is. Woo-chee doggy. Look at this. Man, I tell you, my dear, they's overpacking them. Now, look, if you guys have, good Lord, never ordered anything from Cold Steel, never, ever, ever unpack anything from Cold Steel without a rag nearby. Let me see here. Try to get that better. There we go. All right, now, this is Italian. Back in the olden days, like during the Roman Empire, I know I can't even pronounce it. It was called a Pugo or Pugio, and this is a something or other. You know, anyway, this is the last iteration, or whatever you want to call it, of that knife. This would have been an Italian deal from the 14th, 15th century. And, man. And it should be sharp, so we're going to be real careful here. Yes, that's... Ooh. Yepper. Whoa, alright. I know you can't see it on the camera very well. There it is. Let's try getting some of... Yeah, some of that grease off of it, huh? But you... Look at that. I mean, you know... Yeah. Ain't that beautiful? Hmm?
Whoa, come on, Douglas.
Woohoo!
That's pretty.
That's a knife. Ain't that what that Dundee feller said?
Dang,
Said,
yo.
That's not a knife. This is a knife.
That's not a knife. This is a noise. You gotta do the accent, right?
Yeah. Well, I ain't got
Noise.
to.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
Can I be honest? I thought it was kind of chintzy when you showed me on the computer. That's really cool. Whoa.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat, Dad.
Try to wipe this off. You know, Cold Steel and their stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, Merry Christmas to you, Douglas.
Oh, yeah, it is Christmas, isn't it?
Wow.
All right. That is actually, surprisingly...
That's beautiful.
Really, woo-ha, sharp. And well balanced, I'm telling you.
Wow.
Yep, there's a name for it. It's something or other. I can't pronounce it.
What's your name on it?
Huh? I don't know. It's Italian. There it is. Ain't that beautiful, huh? The sheath is just really thick leather.
Yeah, I don't think I have it.
Yes.
Wow, that's pretty. Real pretty.
Yep. Whoa. Now that...
Snug.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Woohoo.
Woohoo. Cinquedea.
Yeah. That's what the medieval knights would have called a knife. That's a nice pattern there.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, these things can be had for a little bit under $200. Looks to me like the sheath got bent just on the one side, probably from shipping in that box. You all saw the huge box. But, yeah, it's, had a tag around there. What'd I do with it? Right here. Nope. Where'd the tag go, Mother? There it is. Not much in there with it. Right?
Not even instructions?
No. Usually they put a tag in there. Guess not. There it is. Yeah. Just says cold steel. From, what I remember is 1095 stainless. That's nice. This was, cool. Let me see. It's even longer than the 1849 rifleman's knife. Right? But, yeah, she told me no more buying knives and guns for a little while, but she didn't say nothing about cutlery.
You know what I meant?
I don't know. You got to spell it out for me. Woohoo! Anyway, this is just an unboxing. I might do another video. I don't know. It wouldn't do any good. I can't pronounce either of the names. But it's Italian. You can look at it on Cold Steel website. But, yeah, the Romans started using knives like this that were basically the same pattern. Some of them tapered here. And, you know, the Italians, and this is definitely Italian going forward, with this pommel back here, that's, it's really well balanced. If you had to defend yourself, yes, ma'am?
It's called Cinquedea.
Cinquedea, yeah.
Yeah, you know how I know? Because I Hispanic. I'm one of the brown people.
Oh, you looked it up. That's how you know. Yeah, cicada or something. Man, that's really got a nice feel. Everything about it. The pommel is really nicely decorated. The leather handle has got steel studs put into it. They go for anywhere. It depends on where you're finding them. They're generally around $200. On a right day, you can find them for about $150. But anyway, I just figured I'd, Christmas Eve, I'd show something. All right, God bless everybody.